Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make your Google Chrome as your default browser here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you must do is at the bottom search bar, type settings. Once you've typed it, wait for the best match to appear. Okay? So once the best match appeared in your window, double tap it to continue. Okay, so once you are being redirected here at the settings, proceed to the left side of it where you can find the list of options of settings. Now here you need to scroll down and look for apps under the personalization or next to that. Tap it to continue and under the apps tab you can see different options. Here we need to look for default apps. So I can see here in the third rank of the options under the applications, tap it to continue. Okay, so here you can set defaults for application. Now, here's the catch. You need to scroll down and look for Google Chrome. Okay, so I can find it here in mine, which is next to get started. So click this down forward arrow, sorry, to continue. Okay, so once you have opened it, it has this the very top option, which is make Google Chrome your default browser. Simply click the set default, and in that manner, it will mark checked here. Okay, so here it will shows that set default file types or link types is now the Google Chrome and HTML Google Chrome. Okay, so you have just successfully set your Google Chrome as your default browser. Okay, so just simply close this window and you're good to go. So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.